Hi, this is Jake with Regal Roofing, working with Mrs. Patricia Smith, claim number 3381J178G, looking to do a repairability. This is the wind damage shingle right here. As you can see, it's already got the creased up. I'm looking to take out, so this is the shingle here that I'll need to take out. This one's not even attached. This one is, so let's see if we can get, so there's a nail right here. And it ripped right through. See if I can get it. I'm trying my hardest not to. So that ripped right through. Another nail right here. Again, ripped right through. Try to get this nail off. Again, these aren't even attached. You can see this rip for this shingle right here. If you can come here and look. It ripped right here real bad on this shingle. Just trying to get this out. They're so brittle. Let me go back up now. Back up and just get the phone. Again, just ripping like crazy. I mean, this is already a failed test, but I'll still try to attempt to do my best. Here. That one did it much better. But this is already a failed test. I mean, it's ripping right through all these shingles. Again, ripped right through. Nothing I can do on that. I'm gonna get all the way out. One. It's right here because it ripped through. Let's see if we can get to it. Okay. So that shows that. And just by doing that, I mean, these shingles are ripped. So you can see this ripped here. So this whole shingle done. And this is already, that's the wind damage. That's another one. I mean, they're losing all their granules. I would consider that. That one's pretty good. Yeah. But again, this hole, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's another 5. 5. And then, as you can see, once again, the rips and tears. So that's actually this shingle as well. So it's actually a failed test with 7. Thank you very much.